Introducing the DJI Flip, the latest innovative drone from DJI. Following the success of Neo, with a first-of-its-kind folding design and shrouded propellers for added safety, the Flip is packed with advanced features, including 3D infrared obstacle detection for subject tracking. Equipped with a camera borrowed from the Mini 4 Pro, the Flip captures stunning 4K 60p video indoors and outdoors with minimal risk. The Flip's clever design allows all 4 propellers to fold down beneath the body, resembling a futuristic spacecraft. DJI incorporated permanent shrouds for added safety, protecting both the drone and its surroundings. With large propellers designed for optimal performance and reduced noise, the Flip is a quieter alternative to the high-pitched Neo. Weighing in at 250 grams, thanks to carbon fiber construction, the Flip can be flown without special permits. However, it's bulkier than competitors like the Hover Air X1 Pro. What it lacks in size, it makes up for in battery life, offering up to 34 minutes of flight time compared to just 16 minutes for the X1 Pro. Additionally, batteries charge quickly, reaching full power in about 35 minutes with the optional 4-battery charger. However, with only 2 GB of internal storage, users will need a micro SD card. The Flip is DJI's first lightweight drone with a 3D infrared sensor for forward obstacle detection, complemented by a downward vision sensor for precise landings and stability. However, it lacks side and rear obstacle sensors, limiting its awareness in complex environments. One minor drawback is the low propeller clearance, which can cause issues on uneven surfaces. Designed for hand takeoffs and landings, it features a convenient button for automatic flight mode selection and takeoff. Users can operate the Flip via the DJI app, voice control, or manually using the RCN3 or RC2 controllers. In sport mode, the Flip reaches speeds of up to 26 miles per hour, slower than the Mini 4 Pro's 37 miles per hour, but adequate for most users. However, strong winds can be a challenge, occasionally pushing the drone off course. Despite these limitations, the Flip's propeller protection makes it ideal for flying indoors and around people, perfect for event professionals and content creators. It's also beginner-friendly, launching and landing with a single button press. The Flip's direction track mode enables smooth backward flight for vlogging, while follow mode is great for activities like hiking and running. Social media-friendly flight modes like Droney, Rocket, Circle, Helix, and Boomerang provide dynamic content creating options, although video in these modes is capped at 4K 30 frames per second. Manually flying the Flip is straightforward. Whether using a smartphone or controller, while less agile than the Mini 4 Pro, it remains a stable camera platform. However, users should be cautious in areas with untextured floors, as the vision sensors may struggle, requiring a switch to sport mode. Oddly, the Flip is incompatible with DJI's Goggles N3 and Motion 3 controller, an unusual omission considering the cheaper Neo supports them. DJI positions the Flip as a camera drone rather than an acrobatic one. However, its lack of obstacle detection and smart tracking modes like Active Track is a major drawback. Users must manually ensure no obstacles are in the drone's path when flying backward. Unlike the Hover Air X1 Pro, which offers full obstacle detection in all directions, the Flip stops 10 feet before an obstacle but doesn't actively avoid it. With an impressive range of up to 8 miles, thanks to DJI's 04 transmission system, the Flip provides a high-quality 1080p 60 frame per second video feed. However, smartphone-controlled Wi-Fi connections limit the range to just 165 feet. The Flip's 1 by 1.3 inch 48 megapixel sensor and 24mm equivalent f1.7 lens, identical to the Mini 4 Pro's, deliver sharp, noise-free video in good lighting. It supports 4K video at 60 frames per second and slow motion 100 frames per second, surpassing the Neo's 30 frames per second limitation. Additionally, the Flip's 10-bit D log M mode enhances dynamic range, making it ideal for high-contrast environments. Users can capture 12MP or 48MP raw DNG photos for superior editing flexibility. Compared to the Neo, the Flip offers significantly improved video sharpness and superior low-light performance, making it ideal for night shoots, while higher-end drones like the Air 3S and Mavic 4 offer even better quality. The difference is marginal in good lighting. The Flip's 2x zoom does introduce some noise due to its single camera setup. However, unlike the Mini 4 Pro, its camera doesn't rotate 90 degrees, limiting vertical video resolution to 2.7K instead of 4K 60 frames per second. The Hover Air X1 Pro features the same sensor and comparable video quality, though DJI's color accuracy is slightly superior. While the Hover Air requires an additional $200 upgrade for 8K 30 frames per second and 4K 120 frames per second, the Flip delivers excellent results out of the box. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, the Flip ensures smooth, cinematic video even in windy conditions. Users can choose between follow mode, which keeps the camera level, or FPV mode for a more immersive perspective. While the Hover Air X1 Pro exhibits occasional jitters, the Flip's video remains consistently stable. The DJI Flip represents a bold step in drone design, offering creators the ability to capture high-quality video in challenging environments. Priced at just $439, it undercuts the Mini 4 Pro's $759 price tag while maintaining excellent performance. However, it's not without flaws. The Flip's reduced maneuverability, wind susceptibility, and lack of obstacle avoidance in smart modes limit its versatility. Additionally, competition from the $500 Hover Air X1 Pro is fierce. The Hover Air offers superior subject tracking, rear-side active collision detection, and compact portability. However, the Flip counters with double the flight time and superior subject tracking, rear-side active collision detection, and compact portability. However, the Flip counters with double the flight time and superior transmission range. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your user priorities. Those valuing portability and advanced obstacle detection should consider the Hover Air X1 Pro. Meanwhile, users prioritizing battery life, smoother video, and a well-established brand will find the Flip to be an excellent choice. DJI continues to dominate the drone market, but it's refreshing to see competition heating up in this creator-centric category.